Hey everyone, CTN Technology News here, today doing a first look of Sony's PS Vita 2000, a new lighter version of the Sony PlayStation Vita handheld console. Now unveiled at a press event in Tokyo, the new version is 20% thinner and 15% lighter and will use a cheaper LCD screen rather than the original's OLED display, adding an extra hour to the battery life. The unit also comes with 1GB of built-in storage. Now the redesigned console will come in a range of 6 colors and is aimed at casual users. Only the Japanese launch date, the 10th of October, has been announced so far, with a price point of 18,980 yen, which translates to around £120 or $190. Now the machine will be accompanied by a new 64GB memory card, and several new software titles were unveiled to accompany the redesign, including Phantasy Star Nova, a new addition to the classic role-playing adventure series. Now, the PS Vita 2000 continues Sony's naming convention with its handheld updates. When the company updated its previous PSP console in 2007, it was named the PSP 2000. It was also a huge success, significantly boosting sales of the platform. Now let me know what you think of the new PS Vita 2000 in the comments below, and thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and be sure to follow me on Twitter at CTechTV. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.